What's up guys, it's your boy the Guy. I'm back here with another banger today. So today's video I'm gonna show you what I got in the mail, and I know you guys can't wait for it. This is the Spidey tail light for the full focus SD. I'm gonna unbox it. After unboxing it, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and everything. And if you guys think it's look good on my focus SD, you let me know. After this, I have a class right now, so after I'm done with class, I'm gonna unbox it. You guys can see the unboxing reaction and everything. I can't wait for this to go on my focus ST, man. I'm excited for this thing. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Shit! Alright, so obviously you can see it now. This is the secret of what I just literally ordered. I hope this looks really good in the Focus ST, but basically it's the new Spyder tail lights, and God, that thing looks good. I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna tell you guys the process of installation and stuff like that, so you guys know what it is and how to install it. I'm gonna take it out of the package and see what's in here real quick. I got these headlights for $263. Mostly they go for $400, but I got a good deal on it. If you guys would like to purchase it, leave a comment below and I'll tell you guys exactly where to get it from. And get it for $260, no taxes, no shipping fee, just straight $200. So, yes sir. Oh my God, this looks good. Holy crap. God. That thing looks good. I like the design, you know. Everybody has to spec these, so I wanted to go with something different. That's why I went with this company, and we just call it Spyder tail lights. And God, this looks good. Sweet Lord, it looks good. Okay, let me see where you're gonna plug it in. So you're gonna plug it in somewhere right here. I want to say it, yeah. Okay. And then you're gonna screw your things back on right here. And right here too. The screws go back on here and here. Sweet! I'm excited. I'm about to throw it on the car right now and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so I'm about to get in the install. This is something I got for my sister's car. It's a Hyundai, like a grocery getter. You put your groceries in here, then it doesn't move a lot, you know what I mean? So we're gonna move that out of the way. And we're gonna go in the back of the ST. I'm gonna show you guys how to take these tail lights out and stuff like that. So you're gonna go right here. There's these two little, I don't know if you guys can see, this is in the back. There's two of them. That's what's holding the tail light. So you're gonna just twist it, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You want to twist it lefty. Make sure you don't lose it. I've lost a couple of them. All right, so I got both of them out, this and that. This is what's gonna be holding the tail lights. What you're gonna do is you're gonna kind of like hold this part. See, it comes right out. And you're gonna mess with it a little bit. It'll come right out. Okay, look at how dirty this is from water and all kinds of nasty stuff in here. It's pretty dirty, but nobody's gonna see it. So I'm gonna just take my time and clean it up real quick. Give it a little wipe down, you know what I mean? To make it look a little cleaner than it is right now. So as you guys can see, tabs are broken off my bumper because I fucked with it before. But right here, there's a plug you're gonna unplug right here. You push it in, and you just kind of mess with it, and it'll come right out. And boom, you unplug it. This is just all red. This is black, and you know, some little bit of white and all kinds of cool colors in it. I like this a lot. So when you actually get these taillights, right? They come with these rubber stuff. You gotta unplug it. You know what I mean? And this is the wire that's gonna go on it, and there's like one plug in this part right there. So I'm gonna go right ahead and try to do the install for you guys. I'm gonna wipe it down real quick.
Woo! Check that out. That is so freaking cool. I love that. Holy Christ, that looks god damn good. I just don't like that his side is red, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. I'm gonna that's back from where I got him from, as you guys saw me take him out. Alright, so in order to test this for you, I'm gonna use the key to unlock the car. You guys can see what kind of difference you can see from the OEM taillights right here compared to the spyder taillights. I'm gonna push the button just right there. Look at it. Did you guys catch that? See the sequential that works right here? So this, the turn signal sequential, the brake lights is just a running tail lights. And I believe this is the reverse light right there. And with the stock, the reverse light is right here, the brake light, and at the same time is the turn light. So definitely a big, huge difference in the tail lights. I do like it. I'm gonna put the car out and look at it from afar to see it, you know, to see what it looks like. I'm really excited for this. Alright boys, I'm gonna end the video right. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you help the channel grow. Same procedure I did with the left side, you're gonna do the same thing with the right side. I do love the tail lights, it looks pretty good on my car. Hopefully I don't look like a little racer, you know what I'm saying, with some sequential tail lights and stuff, but catch you guys in the next video. Peace.